this is going to be an unboxing of the iPhone SE. I did it before a few days ago and I will show you what happened. But let's hope this one is of a better quality or in a better state. Okay, this is how they pack it. There. Okay. Not sure if many of you might not know. So this is the first iPhone I spent my own money on. This one is a hand-me-down from one of our daughters. Thank you very much. Very appreciated. It's, I believe, 9 years old and it's still perfect. But you can't put certain apps on there anymore. And this one is a beast, apparently. It's a simple phone and the cameras are better, of course, than what I have there. The colors on my Samsung phone are much brighter. These are much more natural, true color, if I can believe the videos I have watched. Okay. There. Here we go. Let's hope that this one is in a better condition. Oh my, I never expected. There. This is how it should look. Yes. Cool. Okay. Perfect. Better check it. It was such a disappointment last time. There. Beautiful, isn't it? Yep. And I bought a nice charger. I hope you can see that. That is in. And hey, there it goes. Okay. This was the unboxing from the phone. Let's see what else is in the box. Hello. Cool. Yep, SIM. I ordered a little SIM because it has a different format than the one I'm using at the moment. This one has the mini and or micro, mini, whatever. This one is smaller. And stickers, the first time I get stickers. Right. Okay. Headphones, earphones. Nice. They will go to my daughter because as you can see, I have these already. So don't use them that often, so there's no need for me to have two. But they go to a good home. Charging cable. But I won't be using that. I will always use the wireless one. Nice plug. I can use that to charge that one to have the best combination. Excellent. Wow. Thank you very much. If anybody wants to see the setup, there are enough of them online. But if you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Thank you.